Welcome back everyone. I'll go ahead and show you exactly how to install Fortnite in these troubling times when Fortnite is kind of blocked from the Google Play Store. Now the process is very easy and I'm recording this in a different way because I'm away from my temporary camera for the time being. But the way to do this, and I've done this 50 billion times, it's very easy. All you want to do is make sure you have a phone that is initially supported. If you have a super old Android, it may not be supported. I have a second tutorial on how to do that, which I will leave that first link down in the description. But as long as you have a pretty current phone like a Galaxy S9 or a OnePlus 6 or something like that, most likely your phone will be able to support Fortnite. So all you want to do is you make your way over to Epic Games website, which will be linked down below specifically for Fortnite. So that Fortnite link will be linked down below. And all you have to do is go into that website and just keep it there for a second because we have to enable one specific thing in the settings. So what you want to do is hop into your settings, you want to find the search bar, and you just want to search up like unknown sources or downloads or something like that. Basically, you want to allow untrusted developers to install apps onto your phone. I know that sounds really freaky, but trust me, it's just Epic Games installing Fortnite. I've done this before. It hasn't stolen any data, and I've installed really weird apps before, nothing has happened. So all you have to do is make sure that's enabled. If you have Samsung, LG, OnePlus, you name it, you'll be able to do this. And you can just search up, how to enable untrusted developers or unknown sources to install apps on an Android on your specific phone, and you'll find like 50 tutorials. Now that you have that out of the way, make your way back over to the Epic Games website, and all you have to do is click download. A little pop-up will come up. You want to go ahead and click OK and enable or whatever the thing is. That specific app and APK will download, and all you have to do then is go ahead and open that within your Files app. It'll download to your Downloads folder, or if you're using Chrome or whatever, you'll be able to see it there. And all you have to do then is just click install, and then you'll be able to install that APK, and at that point, you'll have that Epic Games launcher and the Fortnite app, and all you have to do then is just open up Fortnite, and that's really pretty much the process. You'll just have to let Fortnite kind of install for a while. It will take a little bit of time, but it's not really that big of a deal. And once you have that specific app downloaded, which is that Epic Games launcher, you just go ahead and open it, and you can go ahead and find Fortnite that way within the app, and then you just go ahead and install it. So like I said, it does take a little while, but downloading the Fortnite app doesn't take too long, but it's actually downloading the 9 gig update. That's usually what takes the longest, but that's really pretty much the process. If you guys have any questions or into any other problems, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys could hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my second channel. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.